I can never seem to find the right woman. They always seem to find me unattractive.
Don't worry about finding the right woman, Drew. The right woman will find you.
Yeah, I hope so.
Anyway, I'm just gonna pop to the loo.
Yep. Wow. I've got to tell this to Bob. Bob! Hey Bob! I think I'm in love.
Wow, thanks, man.
Ugh, not you. Look inside. There's a woman at the bar.
Ooh, definitely one to go for.
Mate, I really want this to work out, but how do I make my move?
Perfect. I have an idea. How about you get yourself a nicely built body? Girls like that would definitely go mad for it.
Nah, that won't work.
Ooh. How about you get a voice upgrade, then sing her a song, or beatbox? She'll love you to bits.
That'll never work in this day and age. It's so human and 21st century. Come on mate, think a little bit harder. I've got it! How about we stage a robbery, you go in there, take her bag, then you make a break for it. As I come in, you'll get scared, yeah, you see, and then hand it back over to me, and then when I give it to her, obviously she'll fall for me because I'll be the big hero.
I guess it's an alright idea. Fine, I'll do it for you, Z. Jackpot! I got your bag. I'll probably sell it, and you'll never see it again.
She's looking at me. I look so cool. Fiend, get your grubby hands off the lady's handbag.
Fine, here, take it. Just don't hurt me, man. Here's your chance, buddy.
How dare you talk to me as if you know who I am? Oh boy, this is it. Finally my chance.
Hey.
I believe this is yours. You know, you have the most amazing, beautiful...
Thanks for me bag, mate. Don't know what I would have done without it. I'm an actor, see? This bag's one of my props. See you then, mate. Cheers.
Uh-oh.
Come here, you.